Dear students, welcome to our channel Online Class with Emma. Today we are going to see the answers for English assignment Unit 1 Learning the Game. Part A, answer the following. A. Find out the appropriate meaning for the underlined words. The first one answer is rigorous. C option. The second one B option. And then in this B, third one agreed, disagreed, C option. Fourth one A option. Fifth one, here you should write enjoyed and the option is A. Here agreed and the option is disagreed, C option. Then fifth one no. Sixth one disappear. Seventh one suddenly. Then part B, short answers. First one, who were Sachin's favorite players? Answer is Sachin's favorite players were Sunil Gavaskar and Vivian Richards. Second one answer is the coach Achrekar's first impression on Sachin was that he was too young to make the camp. Third one answer is Sachin was asked to change the school because his school did not have cricket coaching facilities. Then part C, write in detail. First one, Achrekar was a sincere coach. Substantiate. Answer is Achrekar was a sincere coach. He found that Sachin had the potentiality to play cricket. He changed his school. He gave him training from morning 7:30 to 7 p.m. in the evening. The morning session would end at 4:30 p.m. After 30 minutes break, the evening session started at 5 p.m. He gave him training how to handle the last 30 minutes. If Sachin forgot to him attend the class, he would come by scooter and drag him. He advised Sachin not to waste time in playing games with kids at home and not to practice well in the net. It would bring out a great magic. Achrekar also punished Sachin when he bunked his evening class. He was angry that Sachin went to see the inter-school cricket match. He encouraged Sachin that if he practiced well, all the people would see him playing. He was a strict disciplinarian. He trained Sachin to become a very good cricketer. Then we are going to poem Stopping by Hoots on a Snowy Evening. Part A. First Roman letter. First one answer is for A. Who does he prefer to? E refers to the owner of the forest. B. Identify the season with these lines. Answer is winter season. Second one, My Little Horse. The answer is for A option. Who is the speaker? Answer is the author Robert Frost is the speaker. B. Answer is queer and near are the rhyming words. Then third one, A. The woods are lovely, dark and deep. Answer is B. I refers to the poet. Then part B, answer the following. First one, why has the poet repeated the last line? Answer is the poet repeated the last line to confirm the responsibilities of the poet. Then second one, the poet think about its duties and responsibilities to be completed before the last sleep, that is death. Then second one, answer for first one, why does he give his names Belshazzar? That is Hans. Belshazzar. Answer is the horse shake his bell to ask the author if he had stopped there by mistake. Second one, how does the horse communicate with the poet? Answer is the horse communicates with the poet by shaking his hands bells. Then part C, answer the following. First one, answer is whose woods this is memory poem. Whose woods these are? Write and copy. Starting from this and ending in cure. Copy it. You can see it in book. Second one, the answer is Robert Frost's poem Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening shares with us an experience of the poet who stopped on his way to enjoy the beauty of the snowy-filled woods one evening. Though he wanted to stay there for a longer time to watch the lovely dark and deep woods, he could not do so. He had to go as he had promises to keep and a long way to go before he sleeps. So the title of the poem is rather simple and straightforward. It is something that suggests the very outline of the story. This title has the potential to build curiosity, as people generally don't stop in the dark woods, that too on a snowy evening. So we the readers feel that there might be something interesting in it. So thematically the title is just and apt. This is the answer for second question. Now we have completed English assignment for Unit 1 and poem. Only these two we have completed. Then remaining we will teach us the next video. For more videos you can subscribe. Thank you.